All right. Hope everyone is doing well today. We're here to talk about April's monthly tech roundup. So let's get started. So today's presentation, we're going to introduce what these tech roundups are. We're going to introduce new products, new programs/services, and have a live demonstration. So introduction. The monthly tech roundup session aims to provide recommendations on the newest technological products, programs, and services this month. There are a wide variety of different tech products and services to address different needs and uses. Information, including where to buy or access the items, is covered in this presentation. So let's talk about the products. So the first product we're going to be talking about is the OnePlus 10 Pro, which is an Android phone. So the smartphone was previously released in China in early January 2022, but starting April 1st, the device is now available worldwide. So the phone can be pre-ordered on this website if one of the volunteers wants to send the link to that website. So in Canadian dollars, the full price of the device starts at $1,149. And if you're in the US with T-Mobile, the T-Mobile website will have this phone available starting April 14th. So let's talk about the features. This phone has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. It has a 120 Hz screen refresh rate. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It has a charging speed of 60 watts. And it has a triple camera setup on the back, as you can see here. So one is a 48 megapixel main sensor, and at the front, it has a 32 megapixel front selfie camera. So what's included in the box? So the box comes with a manual and a quick start guide. It also comes with other items such as stickers, an adapter, a charger, and a cable brick, and also has a phone case included. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is the Panasonic Oven. It's called the Powerful Home Chef with 7-in-1 capabilities. So it can convection bake and just bake. It has air fry, steam, stew/slow cook, ferment, and sanitize. So the oven is compact and designed to fit into small spaces for convenience. The inner capacity of the oven has been improved to reach a capacity of 0.7 cubic feet, meaning that larger items can now be cooked inside this oven. The main features include a bright LED lamp, easy to read control panel display, 4 buttons for navigation, and 2 metal trays and 2 wire racks. So availability is starting in April 2022, the Panasonic Home Chef 7-in-1 compact oven will be available at multiple retailers, including Amazon and Costco. And the current price is $499.99. And you can find out more at this link here, which goes to the Panasonic site. So moving on, we're going to be covering the Redmi Note 11S 5G, which is another Android phone. So this is a cheaper phone. The smartphone comes in 3 variants, including 4 gigabytes of RAM with 64 gigabytes of storage for $249, 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage for $279, and 6 gigabytes of RAM plus 128 gigabytes of storage for $299, and it is available globally as of April 6th. So this phone features a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. It has a 6.6-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate. It has pretty good battery life. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. And included with the phone is a 33-watt fast charging brick. Its colors include midnight black, twilight blue, and star blue. It has a 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup on the back, including a 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel pixel macro lens. So what's included inside the box? It comes with a manual and a quick start guide, and also comes with some other items as well, with stickers, a charger, and a cable brick, and a phone case, similar to the OnePlus phone. Now let's talk about new programs and services. So there's a new feature coming to iMovie in April this month, and it's called the Magic Movie. So it instantly creates styled and edited videos with titles, transitions, and customized music. So the Magic Movie chooses the best parts of footage you select from your personal library, and edit is automatically created. You can experiment with different types of videos with the 20 different styles, and you can easily rearrange or delete clips with tools such as clip trimming, splitting, and more. And these features are free with the update, since Magic Movie is included for free for all Apple devices that can use it. Another feature is storyboards. So you can learn more about video storytelling. So iMovie has pre-made video templates to direct you through the process of making a movie. So there are 20 storyboards to choose from. So each storyboard guides the user through capturing the footage, organizing clips, and story structures. You can save your storyboard video to your photos library, and you can share on social media or with your friends. So to access iMovie's newest features, the application must be updated. So to update iMovie, you need to visit either the App Store for your mobile devices or the Mac App Store if you are on a Mac. And you can find out more about iMovie here at this link, which directs to the Apple site. So once again, if you don't know how to update an app on your iPhone or iPad, all you have to do is go to the App Store on the home screen of your device. And then at the bottom, there'll be an update section, which you click on, and then click update besides the iMovie map. And then you'll have to wait for the download to complete, and then iMovie will be updated. So it's kind of similar for a Mac. So on a Mac, you would go to the Mac App Store. So basically you go to the Launchpad and then look in the bottom bar of the screen. So you can go into the update section on the left-hand side of the screen, and then you can click update beside the iMovie app, and then you'll wait for the download to complete. So the next product we're going to be talking about is the Eve security camera, which is an outdoor camera. So this camera is connected to your smartphone, and whenever the camera detects something suspicious, the user is notified. So the camera is highly intelligent, and it has the same technology as Apple TVs. It records and distinguishes all motions. It detects people, pets, deliveries, and vehicles. It has highly effective night vision and camera quality. And the field of view is 157 degrees. Some other features include end-to-end encryption, meaning only the owner can access and view live and recorded video. There is a 10-day recording history and notifications from when the motion is detected. And it has powerful floodlights built into it with automatic motion sensors. And you can also communicate both ways with a built-in microphone. So the security camera has an aesthetic design with a sleek body, elegant rounded edges, and an opaque white glass on the surface. And it's available beginning April 15th this month. It's on Amazon for $249.95, and that's in USD. And it's also available on the Apple site at a later release date. So Google has also come out with a new feature this month called the multi-search. It's a new way to search using text and images. It's a combination of searching with text and images, and it's a brand new way to conveniently uncover information users are searching for. So it allows users to pose questions with the things they see around them. And this beta feature is only currently available in the US, so it's not fully released yet. To use it, you would go to the Google app on an iOS or Android device. You would click on the camera lens icon here, which is highlighted. And then you select an image from your personal library or take a picture. You swipe up and click add to your search and also search with text. So what can this be used for? You could take a picture of a wallpaper you like to find where you can buy a similar pattern. You can take a picture of clothing and search to find it in a different color. You can take a picture of a set of chairs and search for a matching coffee table. And you can take a picture of a plant and search for instructions on how to care for it. So here are some images of their demonstration. So for this example, they took a picture of someone wearing like a dress and they added to the search green, the word green. So they liked this dress, but they didn't like the color. And then it returned results of a similar dress, but in a different color. So now for the live demonstration. So the first thing I'm going to show is the site to find more information on the Redmi Note 11S. So you visit the Mi website, which is the parent company. So here you can read about the different features of the phone and also look at some of the sample cameras and images. If you would like to get more technical, you can click on the specs section here, and then it'll tell you more about the specifications like its processor, its storage and RAM, the dimensions of the phone, the display, camera, and more about the other features such as security and if it has NFC. Its network and connectivity. So this might be useful if you want to ensure that the phone will work with your carrier. And a bunch more. So the next site we want to cover is techradar.com. So this is a blog or review site for technology. So they cover most of the new product releases and features coming out. And you can read through here. This is the homepage. They have reviews here. So say if you wanted to learn more about the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, you can click on the review here. They give it a star rating, and they have pros and cons of the device. You can also look for news for specific types of devices. So say you're interested in laptops, you can click on laptops. And here they're talking about rumors about the next MacBook Air, talking about new processors and these laptops and more. And yeah, so this is TechRadar. Next site is the OnePlus site itself. So yeah, this is the homepage. And then here they list all their products. So say you're interested in the phone we covered in the presentation today, you can go here to the menu and hover over phone and go to OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. And you see there's the little new box to tell you that's the new phone that they have. So here in Canada, it's $1,149 Canadian. They have a trade-in option. You can choose your color, capacity. You also get a free gift. And they give you some delivery estimates. And you actually have to pre-order this phone since it's not fully released yet, but it ships in 4 days according to this button. So you can go here. You can log in if you have an account, check out as a guest if you don't want to make an account with them, fill out all your shipping information and billing address and your shipping method. And that would be how you would pre-order this phone. So yeah, thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursdays.